Let's set a scene. It's the late Roman Republic, and Rome is in turmoil. At Carrhae, the Parthians trample over Crassus. Caesar stands off against the United Gallic Alliance. But in Rome, one figure is stirring the political landscape. Gaia Ephronia stands before the praetor, ready to represent herself in court. While not illegal, it wasn't a norm for women to represent in court, either for themselves or for others. Usually they had a male representative, a cognitor, or a procurator, to speak on their behalf. Gaia Ephronia, wife of Senator Licinius Bucco, chose to break this social custom by speaking for herself. This was described by Valerius Maximus, a Roman historian and writer, as shameless, the example of female litigiousness, and as a monstrum. Eventually though, she led to an edict, one that banned women from representing others in court. Valerius had described her as being overly litigious. But if that was the issue, why ban women from representing others? Why not ban them from bringing in their own suits? That led several historians conclude that Ephronia mustn't just have spoken for herself, she must have represented others as well. Let's skip a few centuries forward, shall we, to the reign of Justinian. While Byzantium might be a hollow shell of its former self, they have not forgotten Ephronia. In the Digestia, a section of the Corpus Juris Civilis, as in the legal code of Justinian, there lies a section that says that women are barred from advocating on anyone else's behalf. And the reason why? To keep to the modesty of their sex, and to prevent them from performing the functions of men. Just after, Ephronia mentions the specific reason why the edict was put in place, for annoying the magistrate with shameless advocating. But our story isn't done just yet. Centuries later, Ephronia once again appears. The Sachsenspiegel, a legal text from the Holy Roman Empire, mentions women. It mentions that women still aren't allowed to represent others, but now they can't bring suits or plead without a male guardian. A certain Calphurnia, which historians have linked to Ephronia, is said to be the reason why. Because her demands could not proceed without a spokesman, she, in a fit of anger, misbehaved before the emperor. Calphurnia had flashed the Holy Roman Emperor, here to Charlemagne, one of the most powerful men on earth. The Maître du Champion des Dames paints a picture of Calphurnia decisively crushing her opponent's resolve as he recoils in fear. In the Sachsenspiegel, her genital hair was tastefully depicted using this brush, and so she ended up in one of the most influential law books of all time. The Sachsenspiegel was used for legal reference upon its creation, and in the centuries to come, will form the base of many a legal code. I hope that the story of Ephronia will remind you that anyone, even you, can become remembered in history if you irritate the right Roman magistrate at the right time, at the right place.